السلام عليكم. معانا اليوم عملية تجديد لون سيارة مازدا 6. ان شاء الله بترجع وكالة. شوف كيف قبل وبعد.
Welcome to Texas, glad that you came down. You got lots of friends here, take a look around. They come from California, they come from Ohio, they come from Minnesota to get out of the snow.